Greetings dear students. In this video we will discuss a very important aspect of C language, that is call by value and call by reference. This is a very important topic. So for this we need some knowledge of functions that we discussed in my previous video. So let us start writing a program for functions. We start with hash include stdio.h, then void main, and then the curly bracket. And as you know, whole of the program is written inside the main function. So now let us declare functions void. So we will make a program for swapping. Swap v int comma int, and another function void swap r int star comma int star. So we will have semicolons after the function declaration. So we have declared two functions, one in which we will pass values and second in which we will pass a reference. So how can we do that? Let's see. So we start with the declaration of two variables. Let A is 10 and B is 20. So we initialize this. Now next step, let's call the function swap v with arguments a and b, and then we will print these values with new line and another new line. A is equal to %d and b is equal to %d, and the values of a and b will be printed. And when this function is called, control will jump to its body. Let's write that void swapv int x int y. So what will happen? A will be passed to x and b will be passed to y. Now let us write the code for swapping. For that we have just another variable t, and first t is equal to x, then x is equal to y, and y is equal to t. So this will do the swapping for us. Now next thing, we will call the second function swap r. So what will we pass now? We will pass the references, that means address of A and address of B. So again we will print the values of A and B. So again we will print the values of A and B here. Okay. Let's make it here. And now we will write the body of second function, that is void swap r. Now what we are passing? We are passing addresses. So here we will declare like star x comma int star y. So again we have the body of this function int t, and t is equal to star x is equal to star y, and star y is equal to t. So that's it. This is the whole program of swapping, call by value and call by reference. So let me save this, compile and execute. Just have a look on the answer. So in first call we have just passed the values, but the change is not reflected in actual variables. So A remains 10 and B remains 20. But in second call, we have passed the address of variables. So change is reflected in corresponding variable itself. So A becomes 20 and B becomes 10. So this is the program for call by value and call by reference.